In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Web-to-Lead in Salesforce to capture leads from your website. This is a powerful way to automatically gather potential customer information directly into your Salesforce system, streamlining your lead management process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you need to log in to your Salesforce account. Make sure you're using an account with sufficient permissions to access setup options since we'll be tweaking some settings. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is your setup menu. Click on it and open Advanced Setup. Now, within the setup menu, you'll notice a search box labeled Quick Find. In that box, type in Web-to-Lead and hit Enter. This tool is exactly what we're after. The Web-to-Lead feature allows us to gather user-entered data from a web form and directly create new lead records in Salesforce. Once you're in the Web-to-Lead section, go ahead and click on the option that says Create Web-to-Lead Form. This is where the magic happens. You'll be guided through a creation process, starting with selecting the fields you want to capture from your form. These might include typical information such as name, email address, company name, or any other custom fields you've set up in your Salesforce configuration. Choose carefully to ensure you are capturing the most relevant information needed for your lead nurturing processes. Next, you'll need to set the return URL. This is the web page your users will be redirected to after they have submitted the form. It could be a thank you page or any page you want to guide them to next. Moving on, you'll see a field to choose an API key pair nickname. This is an optional step, but highly recommended. It serves as an identifier for managing your keys later on, should you have multiple forms or integrations. Thereafter, you'll want to generate the HTML code. This code essentially constructs the web form based on the fields and configurations you've selected. Click to generate the HTML, and you'll see the code appear on your screen. The next move is to embed this HTML code into your website. Depending on your site's structure, this might be in a specific contact page or a landing page designed for lead capture. If you're not sure how to do this, you might want to connect with your web developer or consult your content management system's documentation. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, leads submitted via this form will automatically appear in your Salesforce account. This crucial integration makes sure that you don't miss any potential business opportunities and helps keep your lead records up to date and organized. And that's it. You've successfully implemented Web-to-Lead in Salesforce, making it easier than ever to capture and manage leads from your website efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce integrating.